It's 2019, and that means we need to get doing this New Zealand thing while we're here.
Clay Cliffs of Omarama.
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 They're a lot bigger in person than I thought they were going to be.
They were.
I thought you were going to say that's what she said.
That's what she said. Oh man, that was a good one. Can we start over?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cut 3.
They're a lot bigger in person than I thought they would be.
That's what she said.
You're a child. So we had to pay $5 to get into the cliffs, which we didn't really know we were going to do until we got there, but you just put the money in an honesty box. There's not like a person taking money from you.
But the short story of the $5 is that it was well worth the $5 at the gate. Once we've gotten in, we figured that out. We'll tell you more about it. But the $5, don't fret it. Make sure you bring cash. Be honest. Put it in the box.
But if you don't have $5, they said you could not pay and then just walk.
Yes,
past
it was per car. $5 per car.
So.
Good. So then we drove in.
And it was quite a ways from the road.
It's a dirt path.
I think it was 10 kilometers from the road.
Seems like a lot.
It does seem like a lot.
You come out, you can't see them until right about when you're on them, and you come around a turn, and then boom, they're right there, majestic, right in front of you, and they're actually really pretty.
They're really majestic. They're really big.
And then if you had that's what she said. I missed it again. And if you came around the corner and the cliffs were there and that's all you got to see, that would have been pretty cool.
Yeah.
Not substantial for my $5. It's just like a cool landscape. But then you got to park. It had a little parking lot. It wasn't super crowded. There were probably 20 people there the entire time we were there. And we got out of the car and there was a walking path and you could walk up into the canyon. That was by far making it a really cool experience. Canyon? Valley?
Valley?
Alright. It made it a really cool experience, and it's not that long of a hike. It took 5 minutes maybe to get into it.
The main area where it's like, I would even say the best photography location of it is like the main bowl. But it had that extra path at the back that you could go up to, but you did because you're
crazy.
Yeah.
So I went up.
Adventurous, but yeah.
2 people were coming down from the path, and they go, "Oh man, that was crazy. You don't want to go up there." And I was like, "Wait."
Bye, Felicia.
Go to the main part, the main circle. You can't miss it. You'll know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And that's where you get all the really good pictures. But the best picture spot was actually found on the way out. There's just a little path that goes up. Super easy. Don't worry about the complications of the hike, except if you want to scale the entire Muddy Mountain, which I didn't think was worth it. It was definitely one of the best parts of our vacation as we were traveling around the South Island this last time.
Yeah.
It just made for a really good experience. The cliffs, the little bit of a hike so you get a little exercise. The drone footage alone was worth it. And then once you get up to the cliffs, you see just rivers, plains. 10 star out of 10? I'd give it an 8. I didn't know we were rating it, so I feel really on the spot right now.
I'm gonna give it
comparatively to like
9.
what I think Roy's Peak is gonna be and all of that other stuff. I'd say an 8.
I'm gonna give it a 9 because
it's a solid 17.
If you like this video and you want to see more of our faces, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we did take some time off over the holidays, so we have not been posting lately, but we did take a vacation this last week and we are excited to share lots of our footage from our vacation.
Like Clay Cliffs.
Like the Clay Cliffs.
Ripon Winery that we went to, one of my bucket list spots.
We did one of your bucket lists.
No spoilers yet. Hang on for the video.
Bye! Are you gonna have a bloopers section?
No.
Why? I like having a bloopers section.
No.
I think it's funny.
Well, the blind guy is trying to get in this week.
He can't see anything.
How's he gonna do our curtains?
I don't know.
But I'll bump. Let me out, Kate.
Bye!